Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to download Telegram Premium. So guys, if you want to download the premium version of Telegram, then you have to must buy it. So now I will show you how you can buy it. Now go to your Telegram. Now tap on the three lines in the left side of corner. Tap on settings. Swipe down and then tap on Telegram Premium. So guys, here you will be find that how much money it will take to buy your premium account. And from here you can also buy the Telegram Premium as you like. You can buy it on monthly and also per year. So guys, that's it. That's how you can download Telegram Premium very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.